Okay, so for the second part, we are going to learn how to re-index this problem. I'm going to re-index it down from, so right now it's at 3 to 5. We're going to change the index from 1 to 3. The indexes themselves are the numbers that you are going to sum. So essentially this 3 gets substituted into the k as a variable for each time you do a summation. So in this case we'd have to summation everything from 3, 4, and then 5, right? So you'd have to solve this out for 3, 4, and 5. So I don't know why people reindex, maybe to make it easier, so we're going to reindex it from 1 to 3. So now that we're reindexing down, we need to bring our variables up by 2 every time.
Explain how you got the 1 to 3, goddamn.
So I'm reindexing down by 2, and you have to change your indexes or your indices by the same amount that you're reindexing. So we reindex down 2, so I changed this to a 1 and this to a 3. Cool. So now that we've done that, let me show you how to reindex through the math part. So we reindex down, the variables need to go up. That's a really important point. So I'm going to separate each variable from, in this case, the power, and then next the coefficient, so that it's k plus 2. The 2 is the same number by which we changed our indices, so that's what we have to plug in. So we'll put the squared back, then it's 2 plus, I'm going to remove the k again to break it out from the 2. Then we add the 2 to it, and then bring the 2 back in. Could add the 2 first, whatever, it's just how I chose to do it. So then minus 3. That's the whole thing rewritten out. Now we have to simplify our terms and bring everything back together. Be careful on the algebra for this part, because the k plus 2 squared has to be k plus 2 and k plus 2 multiplied together, plus 2k plus 4, just foiled that over, and then we have our minus 3 here. So if we keep going, we got k squared plus 4k plus 4 plus 2k plus 1. So combining like terms, k squared plus 6k plus 5 gives us our answer. Don't forget to bring your summation part back over, and that is how you reindex. Important parts being, if you reindex down, you have to bring your variable ups. The same is true in the opposite direction. If for some reason we went from 1 to 3 to 3 to 5, we would have to subtract 2 for every variable.